Hi, and welcome back to Technology Wizard. So today we're just going to be having a look at my Goldstar TV. I did pick this up a few months ago. It is not new, but I did get this off eBay. So this is what I've been running my MSX off. So it is a Goldstar model CMZ 4382. It does have Potentio fine tuning. So that does mean that each channel gets its own fine tuning label. So like in this instance, you get A, so that would be channel 2, and then you get B, which would be channel 3, etc. So it does have that, which is handy. Other things on the front here include the channel selector. We've got the volume selector and then the power, which also has a mains power in here if you want it completely shut off. And that's the part with that. I have got this hooked up to my MSX at the moment, and I'll just get that set up now. Let's turn this old girl on. Change it to the correct channel. Turn the MSX on. And then put it on channel 5, and then we have the MSX going, so it does run beautifully. I did buy this on eBay. I had it shipped from America. I wanted something that would run Japanese consoles and my American consoles and computers that I've got. So I did have to import this one. This was a good find. Very hard to find the small Goldstar boxes because obviously they weren't as popular sellers as the others, but she is in relatively good condition, very unaffected by aging. The Goldstar in general weren't very popular in the late 80s when this was released. Being Korean, obviously it didn't sell as well as the bigger brands. So yeah, this is the old girl in action. So I have got my MSX up and running with it, and I will be doing future videos about this, going more into my MSX and showing a few things you can do with it, but this would just be the TV today. Goldstar obviously is not Goldstar today. They did Lucky and Goldstar joined together, and now they're LG, which is Lucky Goldstar. So as you can see, it's pretty good picture on it once you fine tune it a little bit, and she's essentially good to go. So I've got two TVs now. I've got essentially this one for my Japanese and American, and I've got one for my Aussie Power consoles that I need to run. So that is my Goldstar TV. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you wish to see more in the future, and hope to see you in the next video.